Chicken wings in an air fryer, made really simple and easy. Let's jump straight into this one.
One pizza too many, cooking and unboxing videos.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody, and today I'm going to be doing some chicken wings, and I'm going to be doing them in the Cosori dual zone air fryer that I unboxed last week. Head over to that video and tell me what you think. Now, it doesn't matter what air fryer you've got. You could have Ninjas, yeah, you could have Tower, you could have any of them. Pretty much the same deal. You're going to turn out with amazing chicken wings. And stay tuned to the end to see how these turn out. I'm sure you're not going to be disappointed. There's one key ingredient to this that's going to make your chicken wings superb in an air fryer. And I'm going to move you in closer now, and I'm going to go through all the ingredients I've got in front of me, and then we're going to put them in and cook them. So in front of me I have 1 kilo of chicken wings. These are just from Aldi. We have some oil, 2 tablespoons, cracked black pepper. I have some peri-peri salt for the end, and the main star ingredient is this pink Himalayan rock salt. Now you can use any sort of rock salt you want, but the rock salt is the key ingredient to making air fryer chicken wings really nice and crispy, so they don't come out all soft and gooey. We want rock salt. So all we're going to do is going to be dead simple. We're going to coat the chicken with the 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use whichever oil preference you like. Okay, and with one hand, I'm going to keep one hand dry, one hand wet. I'm just going to mix these up just to give them a little coating. Now obviously fat's going to come out of the chicken wings anyway into the bottom of the air fried basket, which I'll show you at the end how much fat comes out as well. You might be surprised. Then I'm going to go on with some cracked black pepper. I love cracked black pepper. And then I'm going to go on with some of this Himalayan sea salt. I'm going to give that another little mix up, and I'm just going to go on with a little bit more salt and pepper in a minute as well. And you can go on with whatever seasoning you like. Cajun, peri-peri, bit of garlic, anything you like. So the chicken wings are now coated. I'm going to move those out of the way, and I'm going to open the doors. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put these in. So I've got 5 in one, and I've got 6 in the other. And all I'm going to do is just make sure they're not too crowded. 2, 4. No, tell a lie. I've got 6 in each. Then I'm going to close this up. Okay, so let's turn this particular fryer on. So I'm going to press the on button. It's going to come up at 200, and it's for 15 minutes on air fry. I'm going to actually switch off the preheat, and I'm going to sync the finish, so it's 15 minutes. I'm going to press the play button, and off it goes, and the lights come on. And now I can go and wash my hands, finish sanitising the worktop, and we can come back and see what these are like. In probably 5 minutes. I've left the shake reminder on as well, just in case. We're just coming up to the 5-minute mark, and let's pull them out. And already you can hear them sizzling. They've gone white and they're already looking pretty good. So let's pop them back in for another 5 minutes. Okay, so we've just gone past the 5-minute mark, so I'm just going to pull them out, and these are looking great, really nice. Just going to put them back in as well, and I'm going to leave them for the rest of the time, and then we'll decide if we want to put them on a little bit longer. So it's just beeping to say that the cook has ended. And we're going to take these out and have a little look and see if we're going to do them any longer. Ooh, look at them. The skin is just starting to bubble and crisp. So I would say I'm going to put these on a little bit longer because I want to get these really nice and crispy. So let's put them in again. And I'm just going to do the same. So I'm going to switch it off. So this time I'm going to switch it on and I'm going to leave it on air fry in 200 time. I'm just going to knock this down to 10 minutes. Again, we'll check after 5. I'm going to switch preheat off. I'm going to sync the cook so this basket does the same, and I'm going to press start and off it goes. Right, so that's 5 minutes gone, so 20 minutes in total. Let's have another look. And oh yes, they're looking really nice. But you know what, I am going to leave them, I think, for that full amount of time. I'm just turning them over carefully because I want the tops to make sure that they're nice and crisp. I'm going to put these back in. I'm just going to leave them for the last 5 minutes. There we go, finished. Let it switch off. There we go, so you can now hear me. And let's pull these out and have a look. Oh nice, look at them. Wow. They are super duper hot, but if I just hold one up. Nice crispy skin, slightly golden brown, absolutely spot on as I like them. Now I would be tempted possibly to just go a couple of minutes more, but I think overall 25 minutes for your chicken wings, bob on. If these drawers were a little bit fuller, then yeah, maybe 30 minutes, but let's get some on a plate and then let's have a little taste. So, and I'll show you the amount of fat in the bottom of these baskets as well in a moment, just after we've got these out. Look at them, and the smell is amazing in there. Wow. Just take some back in. Look at them, chicken wings done. Right, let's see how much fat's come out of these chicken wings, and then we're going to taste some. Okay, so I'm just going to hold the base in. And the second drawer. So there we have the fat that's come out. So probably 4 times the amount of oil that I put on originally has come out of them. Right, so there we are, the chicken wings done. So they've taken 25 minutes in this Cosori dual zone air fryer. Let me know if you've done chicken wings similar. What have you put on yours? Have they turned out good? And obviously, look at the fat that's come out of them compared to if you were to do these in an oven on a baking tray. The bottoms tend to be a little bit soggy, whereas these, they're really genuinely not. Yeah, they're really good. So I'm just going to try some of that salt. Look at that steam coming off them. Wow. I'm going for another bite. Absolutely fantastic. Let me know in the comments below what your favourite topping is and what sauce do you like with them. Barbecue, blue cheese, chilli. I love chilli dip or some sort of barbecue dip for me for chicken wings. And obviously make sure you head over to my Facebook page, One Pizza Too Many, and Ninja Foodie World. That is where all the air fryer goodness, tips, tricks are. So I'd love to see you there. And make sure you say hi in the comments and I'll be sure to comment back as well. Until next time everybody, thanks for watching and make sure you are subscribing to the channel. See you soon.
One pizza too many.